Okay, this is a 2014 Ford Explorer, putting the upper intake plenum back on after I just did the spark plugs. Pretty simple. You can leave the throttle body on, you don't have to take it off. Drops back into place, and you just watch out for the coolant tube. So this will just snap back on right here. If you did it right. Actually, you gotta pry it, so you push these two pins, it comes back, stick it on, press the pin. The harness, pretty simple, there's only two plugs on the side, and the one for the throttle body. Make sure it snaps. And you have the tube back here. And you have the tube that comes over here. Goes on right there. And you have the 8mm that are lined up around here. And that's pretty much how you do the upper intake.